Hey everyone, welcome back to Mac and PC Prime Video. Today, I'm going to show you how to get macOS 26 Tahoe Beta, also called macOS 26 Beta, absolutely free, safely, and officially from Apple. Let's get started. I briefly like to warn you that the latest version of macOS is extremely buggy, and I highly recommend that you back up to your device before installing betas on your device. Warnings before installing. Before you install it, here's a quick warning. The beta version may have bugs, apps may crash, and battery life might be affected. So, if this is your main device, I recommend waiting for the stable release or installing it on a secondary Mac. Supported devices. macOS 26 Tahoe Beta supports Macs with Apple Silicon and select Intel Macs from 2019 and later. To check if your Mac is compatible. Alright, no more wasting time. Let me show you how you can get the newest version of macOS on your Mac. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is you're going to want to open up System Settings. And you want to go into Software Update. Wait for it to load. I will show you macOS 15 updates up here. However, we can get the newest updates here with a very simple trick. So you're going to see this new section here called Beta Updates. We're going to click on this I. And once you're in here, you're going to want to choose Off. And then you want to select the newest version of macOS right here. So you're going to see Off or the newest macOS. Just click on the newest macOS and then click on Done. Now, the reason why you saw macOS Sequoia right here is because this was filmed before WWDC. And I just want to get out a tutorial to show you how you can get the newest macOS updates as quickly as possible. Now, the last thing you want to do is you want to click on the Update button, and then it will start updating. That is a quick tutorial on how you can get the newest macOS updates on your Mac. Now, once again, I would like to highly recommend you to back up the device before doing anything. And thanks for watching. If this video helped, please like, share, and subscribe for more Apple tips. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or want a full walkthrough of the new features.